We've been told gratitude is polite, but in reality, it's powerful. New neuroscience shows that consistent gratitude physically reshapes the brain, strengthening neural connections linked to happiness, focus, and longevity. And after 50, it may be one of the most potent anti-aging tools we have. This isn't about forced positivity or ignoring pain. It's about activating the part of your brain that rebuilds under appreciation. The science of gratitude. Inside your brain, the ventral tegmental area and nucleus accumbens control reward and motivation. When you feel genuine gratitude, these areas release dopamine and serotonin, the same chemicals antidepressants target. But here's the key. Unlike pleasure, gratitude builds resilience. It strengthens the anterior cingulate cortex, the region that helps you regulate emotion, forgive faster, and adapt to change. Studies from UC Davis and NIH show that gratitude practice reduces inflammatory proteins like CRP and boosts immune cell activity. In other words, gratitude isn't a feeling, it's a physiological upgrade. Like and subscribe to the channel so we can benefit you by creating more great content with you in mind. And as a thank you, download this video's free guide from the link in the description below. Why gratitude gets harder with age. With age comes loss of people, abilities, and routines. And loss narrows attention. Your brain's reticular activating system, which filters perception, starts scanning for what's missing instead of what's meaningful. That's survival wiring, not character. But every time you intentionally focus on what's working, you retrain that system to broaden again, a process called neural broadening. It's how optimism becomes biological, not delusional. The gratitude circuit. Think of gratitude as a feedback loop between brain and body. Gratitude lowers stress hormones, boosts heart rate variability, enhances focus, and triggers more gratitude. It's a self-sustaining cycle of health. Practicing gratitude even 3 minutes a day increases activity in the brain's default mode network, the same system that shapes identity and purpose. That's why grateful people often report feeling more themselves, because gratitude literally strengthens self-coherence. How to rebuild the circuit. Here's the 3-step daily practice that rewires gratitude into your nervous system. In the morning, make a silent recall. Instead of listing things you're grateful for, feel them. Close your eyes and visualize one moment from the last 24 hours that mattered. Replay it for 20 seconds. Let the emotion rise. That's the neural signal your brain needs to tag it as real. During daytime, make a silent thank you. When something small goes right, parking spot, good coffee, safe drive, pause for 3 seconds. Whisper thank you to no one in particular. That micro-gratitude keeps your nervous system anchored and calm. In the evening, produce a reflective gratitude. Write one line describing something I appreciate today that I once took for granted. This strengthens long-term emotional resilience. Your brain learns safety in reflection. The grateful body. The effects don't stay in your head. People who practice gratitude show lower blood pressure, fewer aches, and even better sleep. That's because gratitude increases parasympathetic tone, the body's recovery mode. Your body interprets gratitude as safe to repair. That's why it's the perfect companion to stress mastery. It completes the loop. Reframing gratitude after loss. Gratitude isn't denial, it's integration. You can miss what's gone and appreciate what remains. You can grieve and grow. Your brain can hold both. It's wired for emotional complexity. So when gratitude feels forced, shift the lens. Don't ask, "What am I grateful for?" Ask what still connects me, the longevity of appreciation. Every time you choose gratitude, you strengthen neural circuits that resist fear, pain, and decline. Over time, your emotional baseline rises. You don't just feel better, you function better. Because gratitude isn't a reaction, it's an instruction. So end each day, not with what went wrong, but with what went right, however small. Your brain will take it from there.